In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom app for Shopify. Whether you're enhancing your store's capabilities or creating unique experiences for your customers, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring clarity and confidence as you delve into custom app development. First, we need to enable custom app development within the Shopify admin. Start by navigating over to the settings in your Shopify admin and then go to Apps and Sales Channels. Here, you'll see an option to develop apps. Click on this option. Now, there's an important step. Click on Allow Custom App Development. You'll come across a warning message detailing what custom apps can do. Review it carefully, and if you're comfortable, confirm the action to proceed. With custom app development now allowed, you can move forward to create and install your custom app. In the Shopify admin, initiate the creation of a new app. Here, you'll need to provide an app name and fill out the developer details. Be thoughtful with your app's name as it gives identity to your project. Next, it's important to set the API scopes for your app. This is a crucial decision as these scopes determine the parts of your store data your app can access or modify. For the admin API scopes, these control access to what's needed for administering operations, things like managing your products, orders, and customers. Meanwhile, the storefront API scopes are focused on access to read-only data that is usually displayed publicly, like product information that appears on the storefront. Carefully select the necessary scopes that align with your app's intended functionality. Following scope configuration, we move on to installing the app. This is where you'll obtain the all-important API access tokens, which unlock the ability to interact with the store's data. Upon installation, you'll receive an admin API access token, and possibly a storefront API access token too, based on the scopes you chose earlier. Remember, the admin API access token is shown only one time during installation. It's imperative to securely record it for all your future needs because it won't be displayed again. With tokens in hand, now comes the creative part, developing the app's functionality. Use the API access tokens to communicate with Shopify's API, sending out requests and receiving responses to build out the functionality that your custom app requires. This development phase demands coding, where you'll write scripts to handle different tasks and features. Finally, consider the essential aspects of hosting and security for your app. Often, custom apps necessitate external hosting for their code base. Choose a reliable hosting service, one that ensures uptime and performance. Equally, maintain a focus on security. Adhering to Shopify's security standards and best practices is crucial, not only for safeguarding data, but also for cultivating trust with your users. By following these steps with care and attention, you'll be well on your way to successfully building a custom app for Shopify, tailoring experiences to the unique needs of your store and customers.